Nowadays, everybody is talking about energy efficiency. Drive systems account for 70% of industrial electricity consumption. In 2008, Siemens saved 148 million tons of CO2 emissions throughout the world through the clever use of its products and solutions. Here at the Hanover Trade Fair, we would like to explain the energy management process, which we use to increase overall energy efficiency. We need the right sensor systems and evaluation software if we are to recognize and identify energy flows. Here at the HMI, we are offering the Centron PAC 4200 sensor systems, which are able to identify any flow of energy and then transmit it to a higher level interface. Once again, we are presenting communication-capable circuit breakers, which are able to perform this sensor function as well. To evaluate the results, we use the Semantic Power Rate program. The program depicts the energy flows in graphic form on a screen. As a result, you can assess these energy flows at any time and identify any devices which consume particularly large amounts of energy. The evaluate phase is intended to help you make the right decisions for your facility. For example, the SINA-Safe 4.0 software tool helps you to make the right investment decisions with a view to increasing energy efficiency. The software calculates the payback times for an investment based on your facility's current operating status and therefore provides a sound basis for decision making. You can see a practical example over there on the right. The model features two pumps on the left-hand side whose rotational speed is regulated. The pipe is cool. On the right-hand side we have a pump whose rotational speed is restricted and therefore remains constant. You will notice the turbulence and feel how it becomes hot. The pump on the right consumes roughly 2 to 3 times more energy than those on the left. We are presenting a selection of products for the realize phase, which can lead to immediate energy savings. For example, we have frequency converters for altering the rotational speed of devices such as pump drives. We have motor soft starters, which reduce the startup current when a motor is switched on, thus saving energy. We also have energy-saving standard asynchronous motors with copper rotors. Finally, we have geared motors which combine the same energy-saving motors and transmission systems. This model shows the feedback capability of the frequency converters using this load which is moving up and down. When the load is lowered, the energy stored is fed back into the electricity network and is then available for use by other consumers. We would also like to show you another application of power electronics, which is encountered mainly in servo presses. Instead of taking the energy, which is exerted during the pressing process from the electricity network as a peak load, it is delivered with the help of a flywheel energy storage system, which is connected to a generator. We would like to take this opportunity to show you a number of examples of successful energy efficiency consulting. This energy efficiency consulting covers the entire process. The discovery and analysis phases within the company play an important role here. This diagram shows how the individual aspects were assessed and the correct steps were taken in order to meet the required energy efficiency targets. We ultimately achieved the necessary sustainability through applied energy management.